Every jar begins with peanuts, growing under the morning sun.
Farmers ensure only the best peanuts are harvested.
Modern harvesters lift peanuts efficiently from the earth. Every peanut collected is destined for transformation. From farm to facility, peanuts begin their journey. Millions of peanuts travel daily to factories worldwide. Each journey is timed to maintain freshness and quality.
The factory awaits the raw peanuts for processing.
Gates open to the heart of peanut transformation.
Here, peanuts begin the next phase of their journey. Every peanut moves with precision toward processing.
Skilled hands ensure purity before automation begins.
Technology separates the finest peanuts from the rest. Precision ensures consistent batches for production.
And so begins the transformation of raw peanuts into peanut butter.
Loaded with freshly harvested peanuts, the journey to the factory begins. Each mile brings the peanuts closer to transformation. Precision and timing ensure safe, efficient transport. The factory looms ahead, ready to receive its cargo.
Every load undergoes verification before entering production.
With clearance granted, the peanuts reach the production heart.
Workers ready the conveyor to transfer peanuts inside.
Bulk peanuts glide seamlessly toward initial processing. Every peanut follows a controlled path for quality assurance.
Supporting machines keep the factory workflow efficient.
Smart routing ensures continuous flow without bottlenecks. Each batch is weighed precisely to maintain consistency. From truck to silo, peanuts are safely stored for processing. Stored in controlled conditions, peanuts await the next phase. With transport complete, peanuts are ready to enter the production line.
Here stands the factory where raw peanuts transform into creamy peanut butter.
Every entry is controlled to maintain safety and efficiency. Modern design blends function with industrial precision.
Inside, efficiency meets strict hygiene standards.
Security ensures that only authorized personnel enter production zones.
Hygiene is critical before peanuts meet processing equipment.
The factory floor stretches out, a hub of constant activity. Skilled hands and keen eyes ensure smooth operation. From entry to cleaning, every peanut follows a strict path. Auxiliary equipment keeps production flowing seamlessly. Material handling is coordinated for uninterrupted processing.
Supervisors monitor production from strategic vantage points.
Every detail, from lighting to layout, is designed for precision.
With entry complete, peanuts move toward cleaning and sorting. Before processing, peanuts must be thoroughly cleaned of debris. Precision air systems separate dust, ensuring purity. Magnetic separators capture stray metallic particles for safety. Size grading ensures consistent texture in the final product. Human eyes complement machines, guaranteeing quality. Advanced optical systems detect imperfections invisible to the eye. All cleaned and sorted, peanuts are ready for temporary storage. Shelled and sorted, the kernels are nearly ready for transformation. A final pass ensures only the purest peanuts continue forward. Precise temperature control guarantees perfect roasting without burning.
Even roasting ensures consistent color and aroma in every batch.
Freshly roasted, peanuts cool quickly to preserve quality.
Controlled cooling stabilizes flavor and prepares peanuts for grinding.
Once mixed, peanut butter is guided toward precise portioning stations.
The transformation from solid kernels to smooth paste begins here.
Additives are carefully blended to preserve taste and texture.
Pre-filling hoppers ensure consistent volumes for every jar. With jars filled, peanut butter moves toward sealing and final touches. Each jar is sealed tightly, ensuring safe and shelf life. Precision capping locks in freshness and flavor for every jar. Labels are applied with precision to maintain brand consistency. Every label aligns perfectly, ready for consumers' hands.
Even labeled jars undergo a final quality check before dispatch.
Automated sensors verify that texture and consistency meet standards. A controlled accumulation ensures steady flow through the final stages. Safety is paramount. Each jar passes through strict checks.
Precise weighing guarantees every jar is filled correctly.
Human oversight complements machines for flawless quality.
Jars are aligned for packaging, ready for shipment.
Boxes are formed precisely to hold jars securely. Every carton is packed with care, ensuring jars remain intact.
Sealed and secured, the peanut butter is ready for automated handling and distribution. High-tech conveyors coordinate every carton's journey seamlessly.
Each pallet is arranged for stability and transport safety. Plastic wrap secures cartons, protecting them during transit. Autonomous forklifts transport pallets with precise control. High-tech navigation ensures pallets move safely and efficiently. Automated sensors verify that texture and consistency meet standards. A controlled accumulation ensures steady flow through the final stages. Safety is paramount. Each jar passes through strict checks.
Precise weighing guarantees every jar is filled correctly. Human oversight complements machines for flawless quality.
Jars are aligned for packaging, ready for shipment.
Boxes are formed precisely to hold jars securely. Every carton is packed with care, ensuring jars remain intact.
Sealed and secured, the peanut butter is ready for automated handling and distribution. Pallets are stored in organized racks, ready for distribution.
Every pallet is tracked digitally for seamless inventory management. Each pallet is arranged for stability and transport safety. Plastic wrap secures cartons, protecting them during transit. Autonomous forklifts transport pallets with precise control. High-tech navigation ensures pallets move safely and efficiently. Every pallet is tracked digitally for seamless inventory management.
Pallets are stored in organized racks, ready for distribution.
Operators oversee every automated process in real time. Safety systems protect workers and products in a high-tech environment.
With automation ensuring efficiency, pallets are ready for final preparation.
Precision conveyors align jars for the final quality stages. Texture and consistency are verified before final packaging.
Batch codes ensure traceability and quality compliance. Even cap tightness is monitored for safety and freshness. Every jar is aligned precisely to facilitate smooth packing.
Cartons are prepared to securely hold jars for transport.
Precision placement ensures each carton is stable and intact. Sealing locks in the jars, protecting them for storage and shipping. Stacked efficiently, pallets are prepared for secure transport. Plastic wrapping ensures protection during handling and shipment. Final checks confirm accuracy and readiness for distribution.
Pallets are moved safely into storage for timely dispatch. Organized storage ensures every order can be fulfilled efficiently.
Precision and finishing complete. Products are ready for final quality verification.
Before reaching shelves, every batch undergoes rigorous lab testing. Samples are carefully collected to ensure accurate analysis. Microbial tests confirm the product is safe for consumption.
Chemical tests verify nutritional content and consistency.
Texture analysis ensures every jar has the perfect creamy consistency.
Moisture levels are controlled to preserve shelf life.
Every visual detail is inspected before products leave the lab. With products packed, they await the final journey to stores. Trucks arrive to transport peanut butter to markets far and wide. Pallets are loaded efficiently to maximize transport safety. Secured loads guarantee that jars arrive intact at their destination. Organized storage ensures every shipment is ready on time.
Advanced scheduling systems streamline the dispatch process.
Forklifts ensure safe, accurate transfer from warehouse to truck.
The distribution journey begins, connecting factory to shelves worldwide.